Introducing our all-new 365 Epoxy Grip all-weather anti-skid kit. A durable two-part cold-applied, resin-based system designed for repair or reinstatement of high-friction surfaces such as ramps, paths and walkways. This kit offers an all-in-one solution. Application is simple and can be undertaken in all weather conditions and with no specialist equipment required. Simply mix Part A and Part B thoroughly. Apply the epoxy evenly to the surface. Apply the aggregate to the surface straight away. Leave for 10 minutes and then brush off any excess. The surface can then be reopened to traffic after only 40 minutes. 365 Epoxy Grip, the all-in-one, all-weather anti-skid solution. For more information, please contact CID Group today.